CBI's team has just left the guest house and they are moving toward, guess what, the Cooper Hospital. Cooper Hospital is the place where Riya Chakrabarti had gone at the mortuary. An unauthorized visit by all accounts. For 45 minutes he was there. Priyank.
Certainly, Pranesh. See, we need to you look into this case from the perspective which the CBI is looking. This is what we have been doing this morning. We have been pointing out that what could be the questionnaire. Sushant Singh Rajput, in a uncommon pattern, switched off his light. The rooms of the light was switched off at 10:30 on 13th evening. Later to that, next afternoon, the people, those 4 people who were inside the flat of Sushant, told it not to the Mumbai police, but told it to other family members and called the key maker to open the door of Sushant's room. And when the room was open, the body was brought down. We exactly don't know that on whose call the body was brought down and how the body was brought down. But what the forensic expert of Kalina are telling us, Pranesh, that there is no clarity that when did the body,
right, I'll come to you. I'll come to you, but Times Now has also spoken to Sudhir Gupta, head of the forensic departments at AIIMS, and he's told Times Now that CBI has approached him to study the autopsy report and that they have formed a 5-member team. There is one thing that raises eyebrows, and that is, why is the approximate time of death not mentioned in the autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput? The Mumbai police should have checked this with the doctors for a second opinion. Kangna.
Well, of course, Pranesh, a forensic team of AIIMS has been roped in to analyze the autopsy report of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, and there have been many allegations which have been raised so far. And Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who is the head of the forensic department at AIIMS, he has told Times Now that a 5-member team has been formed as a medical board that will be examining the entire autopsy report that was given by the Mumbai police to the CBI as a part of the investigation. The first thing that has raised eyebrows is the fact that there is absolutely no time stamp that has been mentioned on the report. That only raises eyebrows, and there are so many other things that Dr. Sudhir Gupta and his team at the forensic department of AIIMS will be studying, and then eventually will be submitting a report to the CBI. What we can also expect is that Sudhir Gupta might be going to Mumbai also to study the crime, and then when all the entire report has been formulated, they might do a joint press conference with the CBI.
We'll come to it in detail also, Kangna, but let's talk about breaking news coming in. The CBI team is already at the Cooper Hospital, and Cooper Hospital is the hospital Sushant Singh Rajput's body was brought to, is also the place where Riya went to see the body in mortuary. First pictures coming in on Times Now. We've also spoken to the insiders, Sushant's friend, man who knew him well, and also his former manager. Listen to these 2 accounts.
रिया के लिए ऊपर तमाम आरोप लग रहे हैं। रिया उनको दवाइयाँ देती थी। रिया, आपकी जानकारी में क्या आया? आप हमें क्या बता सकते हैं इस पूरे मामले पर?
तो मुझे कुछ दवा देनी है तो मुझे ही पता चलेगा कि भैया ये दवाइयाँ हैं, ये समय समय पे सर को देना है। तो ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि उनकी कोई दवाई थी ही नहीं, और उनका जो रूटीन होता था वो रूटीन अपना करते थे। और जहाँ
डिप्रेशन में थे,
जहाँ तक डिप्रेशन की बात चल रही पूरी मीडिया में, तो मेरे सामने तो एक फिट आदमी था, 4 घंटे खेलने वाला आदमी, और इसके बाद आधे घंटे 1 घंटे के बाद फिर से खेलने वाला आदमी, दिन भर खेलने कूदने पढ़ने लिखने वाला, हम लोग को मोटिवेट करने वाला आदमी था वो।
तो ये जो रिया क्यों बता रहे हैं कि रिया ने दवाई दी, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन चलता था, दवाइयाँ चल रही थी, डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कर रहे थे।
जब तक मैं था और मेरी बात अखिलेश से भी होती थी, जिसको मैंने छोड़ा था, तब तक तो कभी वो दवा और इस तरह की कभी बात हुई नहीं, डिप्रेशन की बात हुई नहीं। हाँ, मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि वो गुस्से में रहते थे। गुस्सा इसको इस बात का रहता था क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में उनके खिलाफ जो है गलत आर्टिकल जो है चलाए जाते थे, जिसको लेके वो गुस्से में रहते थे। मुझे ये बताया नहीं जाता था, लेकिन कुछ आर्टिकल मैं भी पढ़ता था। मैं और भी इंडस्ट्री में पिछले 25 सालों से काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि किसके खिलाफ क्या कैंपेनिंग कैसे करते हैं लोग, कैसे
कौन करता है, बता सकते हो?
मतलब यही मीडिया वाले लोग हैं, मतलब फिल्म पत्रकारिता से जुड़े हुए जो लोग एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क के होंगे वही लोग करते हैं। वो पूरा जो उसके खिलाफ कर रहे थे, एक के बाद एक अच्छा काम कर रहा था वो। दूसरी चीज़ की जो वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि वो डिप्रेशन में था, इस बात को मैं मान नहीं सकता हूँ। तीसरी बात ये कि वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो डिप्रेशन में था भी तो उनकी बहनों को या उनके माताजी को, उनके पिताजी को, माताजी तो खैर थी नहीं उनके पिता को और बहनों को पहले आपने बताया होता, और आप ऐसे टाइम पे छोड़ के उनको चली गई जिस समय पे वो आपके ऊपर पूरी तरह से डिपेंड थे।
हाँ।
आप ही कह रही हो कि आप उनका सारा प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस आप देखती थी, दवाइयाँ आप देखती थी, तो किसी एक ऐसे आदमी को अगर ऐसी अवस्था में है, मुझे नहीं पता है, आप ही कह रहे हो, तो ऐसी अवस्था में किसी को छोड़ के जाना भी नहीं चाहिए।
अच्छा, दूसरा संदीप सिंह अचानक से आ गए, बोल रहे हैं मैं सुशांत का 10 साल पुराना दोस्त हूँ।
मेरे रहने पे और अखिलेश के रहने पे जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ, जो स्टाफ था वही स्टाफ था। संदीप सर को मैं पहले से जानता हूँ, उनसे मैं किसी और जगह मिला था, बट सुशांत सर के पास
सुशांत का सारा क्रियाक्रम बोल रहे हैं, करा रहे हैं, हर जगह फ्यूनरल पे देख रहे हैं,
लोग उसके ऊपर शक कर रहे हैं।
हाँ।
इस बात को लेके सारे लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप जो है गए और आप इस तरह से चीज़ों को किया, वो थोड़ा सा सस्पिशन वाला मामला है लोगों की नज़र में।
सूरज सिंह को जानते हैं कोई दोस्त?
उनको भी नहीं मिला सर,
नहीं मिले, आज तक नहीं देखा,
कभी नहीं मिला।
Do you really agree to this theory that it is a suicide? Can a person like Sushant ever commit a suicide?
Absolutely not, because I have known him very well, even though not for a very long time, but then how much ever I've known him for those 5-6 months.
Okay.
I think I have known him as a person who was so positive about everything. I will never even believe that whatever all this crap is coming out about him, that he committed suicide and, you know, he was depressed and all of that. I will never buy that.
You will never buy that. Okay. Apurva, have you ever seen him in illness or a depressed state of depression or
never?
Never. Okay. Now you see,
yeah.
Now you, Apurva, you see that, you know, the depression angle, lot of things. The family has alleged that, you know, Riya Chakraborty and they were involved in giving medicines. He was being treated, black magic. Like, have you come across any such thing, or do you really think that all these angles should be probed, properly looked into?
To be honest, I was not with him, and I'm not aware of Riya because I have never met her personally in my life ever. But I'm pretty sure that the family would never put any false allegations on anyone. I'm sure they must have had some strong evidences against it. That's why they've been, you know, saying such strong things about a person or about a certain set of people. So I totally am with them that whatever they are saying is correct, and there should be an investigation on that. Which is happening now, and which is a great thing.
Acha, so what family has alleged, you have to say that the family will never make any false allegations.
Of
so that
course
the
not.
angle needs to
They are very simple people. They are very normal people.
Acha, you have met them?
I have not met them, but I have heard a lot from Sushant, because he used to always talk about his sisters, and especially his mother. He used to talk about his mother and his sisters and how they were there, like, you know, with him since he was a baby and everything. Like, he used to tell me about his family so much. Every day we used to talk about.
That was Siddhant talking to Apurva, Sushant's former manager, spilling out details. The focus continues on Riya's interrogation. The CBI team has reached the Cooper Hospital. Will they talk to the doctors, the mortuary attendant, and then go to quiz Riya? Well, we'll find out. A short break. Please stay with us.